we're gonna do anklets real quick. Just gonna show this up real quick. So we got some leather anklets for a red-tail hawk. Nothing crazy, right? And then we have the grommets, which we're going with the dark color grommets. They're nicer. Careful there, you. Careful there, you. All right, so let's go ahead and get this done super quick. Remember, you want the smooth side on the inside. We're gonna take this and we're gonna put. We want this side up against the leg so that the pinch side is on the outside. She's gonna fight me on this. I already know she's gonna fight me on this. So let's do this real quick like. Up and underneath. Come around. That out like that. Nothing too crazy. We're gonna take our crimper. Being careful of her leg. Easy, girl. Easy. No, 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 no. There we go. There we go. There's one down. Wonderful. One down. We're going to loosen that up just a little bit. We'll take the next one. Same thing. Make sure the smooth side is on the inside. And we're going to take. There's that. Just like that. And this. Meow, meow. Come over here. You're okay, dear. You're okay. You are okay. Put that right there. And our crimper. No, no. There we go. She hates that hood. Look how quick that was. Look how quick that was. Look, you're already done. Already done. Super quick and simple. Didn't take a half hour like it did last time. So now we have our anklets. We're going to use our jesses. We have different types of jesses. We have our flight jesses, which have this slit in them. And we have muse jesses, which have the hole in them. Holy. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the flight jesses. I don't know if I want to use these big ones. I got these skinny ones. I got these large ones. The thing about the thick ones, when you feed them, they will stick. Hey, stop fussing. You done yet? You done yet? Oh, stop it. Oh, stop it. No, you're not going anywhere. We'll take the other one. Hey, where are you going? Come here, dear. Come here. Come here. Thank you. And we're back. There you go. Oh, there you go. There you go. Easy. Easy. I'm going to feed this one in. There you go. Okay. So that's done. And then we got our swivel. We got our swivel. 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 And in my opinion, you want to use this part first. Because when you go to take them all off, it goes a lot smoother. You're okay. Calm down. Calm down. No, I'm busy. I'm busy. Here, take that. Normally you have to do this with one hand. Like she sits on the other hand. We're not doing that. Here, take your leash. Get your stopper. Feed that through. Okay. Nice little complete set. Come over here. Super simple, super quick. Okay, like this. And go through. And we've got meh, 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 and through. There you go. Now normally you want 2 ties, but as a secondary, what I do is I use this. Now I have 2 lines on her, and she's not getting away. Come on, dear. Come on. Good girl. All right, you ready? You ready? You ready? No, I need to get that. You need to let me have that. Easy. Easy. Here. There we go. And you're free. Thank you. No worries. No worries. there's Jess's for you. Jess's and anklets, super quick, super easy. If you're stressed out, you'll be fine. Okay, I'm done. All right, so adios.